this video we are going to look at a 3 CPR down strategy where we are looking at consecutive 3 CPR on a monthly time frame. So we are here on a monthly time frame. We are also including developing pivots. So we want to look for developing pivots which are crossing down, which basically mean on a monthly time frame. So the two intersecting things will show us stocks which are in a very good downtrend. Okay, so we got a list of 51, but I'm also looking at Keltner channel, right? Keltner channel, whether it's going down or up. So here what it means is on a daily time frame. I want to just make sure check it daily time frame. I want to check if Keltner channel is basically, sorry, I'm going to make it a daily time frame. Okay, a daily time frame. I just want to see how many candles are going down. Okay, candles are going down. Okay, so if I do a market cap, right? So here, if you see here, Microsoft is going 39, 12 like that, right? So so looks like all these stocks are going down. Okay, so now I'm going to look for stocks which are drastically going down. Okay, so let's look at Microsoft. Okay, so here we are on Microsoft. You can see that 3 CPR is going down. So you want to wait for, you want to take the downward strategy. You want to wait for a candle like this, right? You want a candle like this opening below this CPR, right? So that will confirm the downtrend has started. So, but it should not have a upper wick, it only have a lower wick like this, right? So here it also indicates that our developing CPR has turned negative. You can see that market pulse also negative. Okay, so all the time frames are negative. So this is definitely on this also RSI is negative. Okay, so this is a good stock to go on downside. Okay, now let's do a scan again. So Amazon, Tesla. Let's look at CRM. Okay. Okay. CRM also you can see is continuously negative. So here after the after the earnings probably it went little up. Now again it's going down. Okay, Keltner channel is also down, and all the time frames are down. Okay, CRM. Okay. Scan. Let's look at AM. Okay, AMD. Let's look at Neo. Okay, look for Neo. Okay. Okay, Neo is also, all the CPR is down. Keltner channel also down. You can also see that developing CPR is also trending down. Okay, so you want to wait for a candle which is like this. Okay, so I'm going to attach this list, watch list, so you can basically look at the stocks which you want to play. So everything is down here. Okay, sell volume is 91%. Okay, let's look at it. Let me save this scan as a watch list. Save as a watch list.